In this video, I want to answer the questions that you asked me here on this channel about beard growth. Timothy Kachimba asked me the question saying, how long does it take for beard growth? I have used this over 2 weeks, but I can't see beard growth. Bro, help, any advice? Timothy, just like any other guy, he's having challenges to grow the beard. So he's asking, how long does it take to grow a beard? And he's been using this beard growth all for 2 weeks, 2 days, but he's not seeing any results. First thing that you want to do if you want to see the result, you have to shave everything from your face and start using a beard growth oil. It only takes 1 month for you to see the results. 1 month. 2 weeks is just the beginning. Don't worry, because 2 weeks is just too early for you to start seeing the results, but you should have already started seeing the results. I don't know what beard growth oil you are using. If you're using something like this, you're supposed to see the result. The time it takes for you to see the results is 1 month. If during this period you're not seeing any results, one of the followings might be the reason why you're not seeing the results. The number one reason you're not seeing the results is maybe you are young and you are under 18 and you're just forcing things. Number two reason that is causing you not to see the results is maybe you just don't take care of your face. You have to wash your face twice or thrice a day. The third reason why you're not seeing the results is you're not exercising, you're not drinking a lot of water, you are not eating right. A lot of vegetables, a lot of eggs, avocados, fruits, they help to grow a beard. Eat a lot of fruits, drink a lot of water, and start exercising. If you want to see the results as fast as possible, you want to do all these things.